Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 12th of July 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the upcoming videos from my sites. Okay, now let's get this start today's analysis from Great Britain Pound USD. I have supplied the bullish signal from 1 to 5502 and 1 to 6222 is the target price. And guys, if you look at Pound USD momentum, the Pound USD is making upward direction, and it's on the way towards the target price, which is 1 to 6222. I have supplied this signal on the basis of daily chart because as per the trading system, if you look at here, the candles were closed above the dotted blue line and middle dotted line, so there are chance for the further boost when it's up to the trading system. But when the candles closes above the dotted line, then we can expect the further upward chance. So that's how we use this trading system. So that was given on the basis of the trading system, and you can see Great Britain Pound USD has already moved up. Okay, and now let's talk about AUD. Sorry, that was the AUD USD chart. That was the Pound USD chart. The signal was basically given on the daily chart, and I'm going to take you towards the daily candle. Okay, the same situation. It was closed above. The next candle is pumping up. So this trade was given as per the trading system, and similarly, I have used this trading system for giving the AUD signal. And AUD signal, I'm going to take you towards the signals report with a bullish expectation from 070037 and 070343 is the target price, and it's now making the upward momentum, and it's just near to the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the first two buy positions. They must have taken the very good profits. Okay guys, another satisfied signal of the day is USDCHF. With a bearish expectation from 098856 and 098476 is the target price, and you can see a huge drop on USDCHF. It is way down, and finally it hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, that was 098476. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about another drop that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound JPY. I have supplied the bearish signal from 135835 and 135370 is the target price, and guys, you can see a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, and it's on the way towards the target price. So overall, if you have traded up to now and if you have caught your profit up to now, then you should exit from the trade. At last, I'm going to talk about EURJPY, another satisfied of the signal of the day. We have taken EURJPY yesterday also, and today I have supplied the bearish signal from 122070 and 12177 was the target price, and guys, you can see a big drop on EURJPY, and finally the market is down, and we have hit 5 signals today with no problems. And if you have traded these 5 signals, then you must have taken a very good profits. Okay, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain how to use this trading system. You can see that the trading system is attached on the chart, and whenever you see there are 2 red boundaries, the lower red boundary is the oversold and the upper red boundary is the overbought levels. So whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, which is oversold, and if it starts gaining the momentum, if the scalper gives the white signal in the form of white arrow to buy the pair, then that could be a perfect setup. If it gives a signal in the lower red boundary, then you can see that the market has moved up. When the market moves up, then it goes into the top red boundary, and if you see that the market is losing the momentum from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And look, we ignore white arrows here. We will trust more on red arrows, and look, the pair has dropped down. If you look on EURJPY, many hours ago the scalper has pointed to the red arrow to sell this pair, and finally the pair has moved down, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.